Welcome to Ting Group. Hope you're all doing well. Today, I have some exciting things to share with you. Ting Group has been cultivating our own capabilities on design, research, development, and manufacturing for over 20 years. We've been dedicated to developing memory products such as DRAM, SSD, memory card, USB drives, peripheral series, and industrial applications. We have 4 product series: Ting Group Series, T-Force Gaming Series, T-Create Series, and Ting Group Industrial Series. Please check out the links below to learn more about us. Ting Group products have been well recognized by global media and received many global design awards, such as Good Design Award, IF Design Award, Red Dot Design Award, Computex Design and Innovation Awards, Golden Pin Design Awards, and Taiwan Excellence Award. Ting Group possesses unique technical capabilities, award-winning product design, efficient productivity, and internationally approved quality certifications. With the corporate philosophy of integrity, innovation, professionalism, efficiency, discipline, and simplicity, Ting Group provides comprehensive customer service to clients all over the world to meet the demands for different users with various devices. This year, Ting Group will bring customers around the world cutting-edge technology and brand new product updates. We will provide complete system storage upgrades and heat dissipation solutions. First, let's check out our DDR5 memory module series. For desktop memory, we currently have Delta RGB DDR5, Vulkan DDR5, and Elite UDIM DDR5 module with the highest frequency up to 6,400 MHz. As for laptop memory, we have Elite SODIMM DDR5 module in multiple capacities, from 8 GB to 32 GB to choose from. All of our DDR5 gaming memory modules have received Intel XMP 3.0 certification. In the second half of this year, we'll launch brand new specification memory modules, well compatible with all motherboard manufacturers, which we are in close collaboration with, providing consumers all new and instant solution. Next, let's see the PCIe Gen 5 SSD. To meet the demand for high-speed storage driven by big data, Ting Group will be launching the newest PCIe Gen 5 SSD. With patented graphene and aluminum cooling styles to choose from, this unique Gen 5 SSD will be capable of maximum sequential read speeds over 13,000 megabytes per second and write speeds exceeding 12,000 megabytes per second. Together with a maximum storage capacity of 4 terabytes, this amazing SSD that provides a variety of efficient storage and cooling will be available in the near future. Furthermore, let's see our innovative dual cooling system of Ting Group AIO Cooler. Well aware of increasing heat dissipation with higher power and higher speed in demand, Ting Group will release the first ARGB all-in-one liquid cooling system that dissipates heat from 2 main heat sources at the same time, the CPU and SSD. The dual cooling system of T-Force Siren series all-in-one ARGB liquid cooler supports a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, and its meticulously designed water blocks are made for mainstream M.2 2280 SSDs. This makes the cooler perfect for a large variety of gaming PC setups. Ting Group takes the initiative to provide innovative cooling products with leading technology and creative features. Ting Group emphasizes on cutting-edge technology, innovative product design, fluid productivity, strict quality control, and efficient consumer services. All devoted to providing the highest quality product to our customers, allowing them to work efficiently and flawlessly. We will successfully release DDR5 memory modules, Gen 5 SSD, and dual-source AIO cooler this year. We are dedicated to providing superior storage and heat dissipation solutions. So stay tuned. Don't forget to watch the video to see more about Ting Group.